What's up, y'all? It's your boy JJTV up in the building. I'm back with another video. I'm about to do a MukBang with me and my homie. We can do a MukBang, Wendy MukBang with the 4 for 4. You know what I'm saying? Come with the nuggets, come with the burger, and the nuggets. The drink. But either that, I'm about to talk about my experience with Google Ads. So, I'm gonna start off with Google Ads. Google Ads, as y'all see, you know what I'm saying, I've been getting a lot of views on one of the videos that I posted. I'm getting like, what is it? Is that like, it's about to be at 14,000. This is that. Last time I checked, it was at 13,000, like 700 or something. But my experience with that was, so yesterday, I'm checking my bank account. It said $350 was spent to Google Ads. I'm like, what? I know I ain't do that. So I get the calling. I'm mad. I got the fuck? Got the call, and then they was telling me they kept sending me to like the billing, and then to automatic machine. I had to wait. And then the phone kept hanging up, so I called them like 5 or 6 times. Then one time when I called, so it was this dude that I was talking to. He must didn't understand me, cause I didn't understand nothing he was saying. He was talking a language I didn't. I don't even know the language, so I really can't tell you. But it was real funny, cause I was I was mad, and so I called. So he told me he was gonna send me to the billing. So he sent me to them, but I still gotta wait on the phone. So they do the what they call it,
automatic transfer call.
Yeah, they sent me to that, and I had to wait. So I'm waiting, and nobody answered. So I hung up. So then I called my last time, and finally I asked them. I said, so I'm trying to get my money back. How can I get it back? The man tells me, you cannot get your money back. I'm going to explain to you why. He got to explain to me why. He said because of all the ads you was putting on your video. I didn't know. So all the ads I was putting on the video, and why the video that it was going up so much is because of that. I didn't know that. So I think that's my fault. But at the same time, I know that, so that's what made me mad. And the crazy part about it was he kept trying to argue with me on the phone. I'm like, bro, I'm not here for all that, bro. Just tell me. And then after that, the real life supervisor of Google, bro.
He had to talk to you?
Yes, bro. And I'm like, how you doing? How you doing, sir?
That's why you was saying it's no problem. It's no problem. You got scared, bro.
I didn't know what he was gonna do, so I'm like, ain't no problem. I was just trying to figure out what was going on.
They probably was gonna send the feds to your house.
I don't know what they was gonna do.
Damn. He took your card off that shit yet? Hell, speaking, bro. As soon as you get paid, bro, they gonna take money, bro. Did you check your account this morning? Did they take $10 away? Check. You probably took another 10.
They can't.
Why?
Ain't shit in there. But like $6 in my savings.
That shit a bad experience, huh?
Bad experience. I thought I was gonna get paid. Heck no.
And tell them, well, it was a good day yesterday. We was on our way to Chick-fil-A.
On our way to Chick-fil-A.
It fucked up our day. And tell them your phone was about to die too. And when your phone did that.
My phone was on 10%.
It was just a bad day for you, right?
Man.
Yeah, I can eat this shit, bro.
What?
That shit nasty, bro. I can eat that shit with some
buffalo sauce.
I'll eat some buffalo sauce. I shouldn't pay for somebody behind me, bro. Man, you said you was gonna enjoy it, you still ain't do it, bro.
I forgot all about that shit. Lawrence told me he want me to, I just grass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cut his grass?
Yeah, he said he paid me like $30.
You gonna do that?
Hell yeah, that's $30 for that little ass grass.
A little bit? What you think, Markham?
Hazel Crest.
That express? Over the ridge? Or
You
where I
stay
stay?
right across the street from the fire station. Hazel Crest fire station.
On Family Dollar Street? I ain't know that. Ooh. I seen him cutting grass at that house before. I know where you live now. I know what you're talking about.
Yup.
You know, he don't waste no gas going to work, huh? He could go to the crib if he wanted to, right? He's boss too. He still be sad or not?
I have no clue.
He told me like his mom died, right?
Yeah.
It's messed up.
I went to her house.
She was nice.
She cool, nice, bro.
Carl wife too? Carl wife?
What about her?
She fed you?
Man, she fed me a good old boy. That sandwich was good, bro. Chips, drink.
Carl was about to smack you, saying, don't eat my wife's food.
Nah, bro. They be arguing, bro.
For real?
Bro, it be funny though. No, like, they don't be arguing, but she be trying to, bro, she was
Put him
talking
on
about,
check.
no, yeah. And be trying to treat Carl. Carl be going for none of that shit.
He be chilling back?
Hell yeah.
What you be saying?
I don't know. No.
I just want to grab some.
I should have asked the dude to go give me some ranch. That was dude who worked there. I should have asked him.
Yep.
Hey, what you want tomorrow?
Nothing.
You taking a crib? You go outside? I get out by 4. You don't got work Saturday, Sunday.
So don't. Is that car place open?
I think so. But I get up at 4.
Oh, yeah. We is right.
And Sundays, I don't think they open. And we still ain't do that help the homeless videos. You want to take these to the crib?
Take what?
Sauce?
I already got barbecue at the crib.
Don't lie, them fries salty as hell.
Salty than a mug.
They poured a whole damn bag on them fries, bro. Whole damn bag of salt in that
You
bowl.
gonna catch? You could catch.
What is that? Diabetes? Cholesterol?
I don't know.
All them sodium?
You try to get your nuggets?
Huh?
Get your nuggets?
Yeah.
Where they go?
Right here.
Do you eat them?
Yeah.
You ate them?
Yeah. You finna ask you get them, huh?
No,
That's your favorite food for nuggets. That's what I started thinking, fella, right?
Hell yeah.
You like Burger King? You like Burger King nuggets? Wendy nuggets? Chick-fil-A nuggets? Do you like McDonald's nuggets?
Hell no.
You lying, bro. Somebody give you some free nuggets from McDonald's, you taking them bitches. You gonna be like, thank you.
No, I'm not. I need to go get a Coke.
I know, bro, but it's getting late, bro. It's getting late, bro, and I hate driving this motherfucker at night. And I hate parking this motherfucker at night, bro. What I am gonna do is go to that store and get that shit from my face. But if I can see a Coke, where can I go to get a Coke? I want to go pull up on Maxim, where I work at Marshall's, bro.
Burlington? Yeah, I'm gonna say.
You trying to?
Yeah, we can.
Nah, but I gotta go to Orland, though.
Oh.
Man, I'm wearing the same clothes from yesterday, bro. Night we walked inside of Orland, bro. I'm gonna ask this bitch if she could fuck you, bro.
What?
I'm just kidding, bro. Hey, we are. Oh shit, bro. We still recording, bro. It's almost Halloween, bro. They be putting Halloween movies on TV.
Michael Myers gonna be on that Chucky.
Me.
You still ain't watch Power?
Hey, no, bro. It's just when you tell me to download Movie Box, bro, it don't let me, bro. It's not like it don't work for me.
You want me to do it for you?
Yeah, dude. I don't got no Wi-Fi. My shit ran out that gigabytes because of you, because of yesterday.
My bad.
No, you good. How much is wait until I get some more? Next month. I wish I could sanitize it, bro. Hey, ask them. Ask them if they watch Power. Your fam.
Let me know if y'all watch Power.
What season 1? Which season? All of them?
Season 6. Season 6, episode
Hey,
9.
fool, you know what I see? I love with social media, bro. You heard like Mexico, El Chapo's son.
Yeah, I know they
That shit
house to house. Yeah, shut up.
Nah, you tweaking, bro. That's not what it said.
I mean, not house to get shut up, but something. It was a shootout.
It was a big ass shootout for the whole town. They burned the motherfucking whole town down, bro. They arrested his son. They fought the police to get him back, and they got him back. That's it.
Who got him back?
The cartel.
They ain't going to that. She ain't gonna take El Chapo's son. El Chapo black. El Chapo gonna tell their ass, I bet we finna go to war.
The Chapo in jail.
He still go to war. What if El Chapo was your father?
What if it was my yeah shit?
Yeah, El Chapo was my
I wouldn't
father.
be here, shit. I wouldn't be here, bro.
I wouldn't either.
What if Larry Hoover was your father, bro? You
I
wouldn't be here. You probably got stacks of money somewhere, bro, selling all that coke. For your hands. You didn't even eat your drink, bro. You want me to pull off?
I already eat a drink.
Yeah, drink your drink.
I'm gonna drink it.
You want me to pull off?
Yeah.
Hey, pull off. Pull off. Hold up. Let me put some music on. Why, you gonna get copyright? Probably,
Oh
right?
yeah, you is right.
You throw it away. Tell him, bro, you gotta say goodbye, bro. Dicks.
This is what JJTV up in the building. No, I'm gone.